Hi everyone! This was our gig last Tuesday at 12 Monkeys. It's located at Estancia Mall, Capital Commons, Pasig. So merong 300 pesos na door charge dyan. Nagpipicture lang ako habang nag-iintay for the performance to start. Usually mga 9:30 dyan. So makikita nyo yung band members namin. Si Jen sa keyboard, si Ben sa drums, si Aaron sa bass. Yung PA namin nag-aayos dyan sa stage, si Jerome at si Kuya Rodel, our tech. Tapos meron kaming dalawang singers, si Ethel and Juliet. They are the Bahala sisters. And of course si Chin, our guitarist na kumakanta din. So ayan, meron kaming schedule dyan twice a month. So I think you saw my photo also. I was holding my MYMP Road Manager ID. That's me. So nagpo-post naman kami ng invites. Follow us na lang. That's with our Booker pal.